Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Affinity Designer in 2026. So if you want to create logos, social media graphics, illustrations, or professional designs, this beginner guide will help you get started step by step. First, open Affinity Designer official website or launch the app on your PC. Once it opens, you'll see the main design workspace. Next, click New Document and choose your project size. So you can select presets for social media, print, logos, or custom sizes. Now explore the tools on the left side. The Move tool, Pen tool, Shape tool, and Text tool are the most important for beginners. So start creating your design using shapes, colors, and text. You can customize fonts, gradients, and object styles easily. Next, organize your project using layers. Layers help you manage objects without affecting the whole design. Finally, click File and then Export to save your project. So you can export designs as PNG, JPG, SVG, PDF, and more. And that's how to use Affinity Designer in 2026. Once you learn the basic tools and layers, creating professional graphics becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more graphic design tutorials.